Menteri Sorkar Pdeng, Bhagwan Khubau badai pej yang katrat new and renewable energy ke kharpratrek Jimmang ulawan meniu Kjat Nongstoiñ Wkhd district ban pej thu ke jing pentri kami ki skim Sorkar Pdeng hapo ke district. Hakan ni kisngi Khubau lai kendu ya barok ki officer jong district ni kitna Sorkar buper hak jing lang ke long conference hall jong office jong DC bane phli jumot halor ki skim Sorkar Pdeng. Hadim bawai ke jing elam ki officer ke district Khubau lai yo bane kendu ru ikinong elam hima bat nong elam snong jong kisnong buper ki badan hapo sor Nongstoiñ. Habe kiram gila patai kubor Khubau loang bagi jela kathan sate lamingi gila sha e ben baros kata badai tat hadian bu Narendra Modi ulong kung menteri rang badu kari bakaladon ke jingpet kerpang ban kenti ki kampen roy haki jela kathan sate lamingi kentropi ke Meghalaya.
Up to 2014. After 2014, become Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji. Special focus for the development, special attention for the welfare of the Northeast states, citizens. So, since 2014, these Northeast states, including Meghalaya, development has taken very much. All the infrastructure development like national highways, village connectivity, in village good roads, drainages for rural people or urban people, good quality drinking water through tap. Now, in the span of 9 years, the Northeast has emerged as equal to other developed states of India. Earlier, the Northeast people, including Meghalaya people, they are thinking that Delhi bahut dur hai, Delhi is so far. But now, whole India for the Northeast region, now it has come very close to the heart of every citizen of Northeast region peoples. Because it happened in every month or fortnight, Union Minister visit to every state to review the central government schemes and whatever they are facing to implement the scheme, immediately we are addressing those challenges, those problems. Because of that, all Northeast region citizens now feeling that yes, we are developing at par with the other state of the India. So now all infrastructures, even in Northeast regions, there are many disturbances earlier. But our government has taken a very bold step to respect everybody's feelings and everybody's aspirations. Because of that, now Northeast region citizens are very happy with the central government, with coordination with state government schemes are implementing. So because of that, here each and every citizen have took benefit of central government, either in Ayushman Bharat, either in ration distribution, either in Pradhan Mantri Samman Nidhi, either in Poshan Abhiyan, either in infrastructure, in health sector, education sector, road sector, and in Gram Panchayat villages for poor getting Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana houses. So every citizen is now getting benefit of central government as well as state government.